Hi guys, alright, so let's create a business card. First of all, you want to head over to canva.com, that's canva.com. Over there, you want to search for business cards. Now, select a template from the very extensive library of templates and click on customize. Now on the edit page, you want to edit some things out to suit your needs. For example, you may want to change the name, the font type, and maybe the font size. Okay, this looks good. So now let's do the subtitle text. Alright, so now you may want to change up the colors a bit as well as the logo. If you have your own logo, just head over to upload and then upload it. But for the sake of this, I'll just use an image. Let me say a dragon. I'll just edit that and place it well. Shift the text to make sure everything shows properly. Now after that, I want to edit the front page. So I change the font, the name. You can also change whatever you feel like on the page as well. But I'll just leave the rest there. Now I'll go over to the first page and get our dragon. Ctrl C to copy that and Ctrl V to paste it. Now I simply want to position that at the back and then reduce transparency so we can see the full text. Now when you're done and you're satisfied with all of that, you simply head over to share, then download. For this, we'll be downloading as a PDF file, so you can print it in high quality, and there you have it guys, your business card. Now please let me know what you think about this card and also your experiences with Canva as a graphic designer in the comment section below. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button as usual. This is the Small Talk Guru. See you next time.